Good afternoon and welcome to, well, it's almost spring here in South Wales. We're probably actually still in midwinter, maybe. So we are in early February, which really is still pretty much midwinter, a little bit past midwinter. Just a little bit of a hint of spring. The days are getting a little bit longer and we're getting plants like these. Our Hellebores, our Christmas roses, are starting to flower. And I should have, a month or two ago, taken away some of these old leaves. These are last year's leaves. Some of them might be from the year before. And you can see a little bit of this starting. This is the, looks like the fungal spot that Hellebores can sometimes get. In my experience, it doesn't do a huge amount of damage. The plant still produces flowers, but the leaves at this time of the year can spoil the look of the plant. So we are going to get my secateurs, where are they? Ta-da! And we are going to cut back all the leaves and see what a difference it makes to this plant. So we are following the stems back. Let's find, there we go, there's one. So following the stems pretty close to the ground, I'm probably going to leave about an inch, a centimetre or two of stalk there and go all the way around and remove all these leaves and let's see what happens. Now here's the danger. You need to make sure when you're delving down amongst the stems that you don't accidentally cut one of the flower stems. Those are the flower stems there, slightly more upright, slightly kind of pinker in colour, and these are the leaf stems down here, lying flatter. Those are the ones we want to get out of the way. Just being ultra careful not to cut the flower stem. Making some progress now. You can start to see the clump of flower stems. There we go. Doesn't that look better? Ooh, I can see one leaf left there that needs taking out. I've managed so far to do this without cutting a single flower stem. Famous last words. There's another leaf stem there. Oh, done it. There we go. And it took a couple of minutes, and you can see now this is just perfect now to allow these flowers to open up, unobscured, unhindered by the leaves. We can really appreciate these. I might show you. There's a special sort of flower arranging you can do with Hellebore flowers. Very, very attractive. I might just slip a photograph in of an example just now. So when we've got these flowers fully open, we'll have a go and see if we can do that ourselves. I've also noticed the other advantage of cutting away the leaves is you can look and see what's underneath, and there we have some little seedlings. We have some babies. That was where the original plant was planted probably 10-15 years ago, and since that we've had a few babies that have emerged. There's one or two just there. Look, that's a kind of a seedling from last year that has developed some more mature leaves. There's another one just there. So I might just dig up some of those very carefully with some roots and pot them up and see if we can't grow some babies. So I've done this in early February. I have seen and heard of other people who do this earlier in the winter, maybe kind of November, December, January, and if that works for them, brilliant. I tend to leave the leaves there a little bit longer, rightly or wrongly, so that they provide a bit of protection for these baby shoots as they were coming through. I suppose the danger is that the longer you leave the leaves there, the more chance there is that they're going to transfer the black spot onto the plant, onto new emerging leaves. But I found by doing it just as they're about to come into flower works for me, and that's what I can tell you, really. So any thoughts, any comments, we'd love to hear via our YouTube comment section. Thanks so much for watching. Enjoy your gardens. Bye.